Hey, it's Eitan, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you every single thing I eat in a day. Good morning! Alright, I start my day every day working out from 6 to 7, so I start off my day with a protein knockout smoothie.
People are always asking me, Boogie, how you get so big and strong? Well, here's one of my secrets.
Peanut butter, like berries, there's protein in there, everything like that. So this is my protein to start the day. And then it's important to start with the high and the low. So I start with, something nice and nutritious like that. And then I grab myself a cookie. I try every weekend. Today's a Monday when I'm filming this. I try every weekend to bake some cookies. So that for the week I have cookies to eat. So got a protein bake and cookies. So I gotta get ready for the work day. And today there's gonna be a lot of eating. Heba's coming. I'm going out to dinner time with friends. It's gonna be quite the eating day. I'm excited you're with me for this. All right, so I just wrapped this caramels video. Rachel's been helping me cut off the rest because it is a crazy day. I'm filming lots of videos. I have a meeting in 3 minutes.
Yes.
So, homemade soft caramels from Eitan Eats the World.
Who would have thought? Oh my god.
That was a 10 out of 10 if I made this show
I
myself.
completely agree.
Today's a strong eating day.
Yeah, I hope you have a second stomach.
Yeah,
There's a lot of food.
I move it over
Oh, I love that.
and I'm like a cow.
Oh my god, yes.
Chew like a cow, eat like a cow. I'm about to eat more food, so hydration is an important step of life. So I love water. Join me in my cup.
Cup runneth over. Yes, it does.
Oh my god, exquisite New York City water. Super alkaline. No,
I am super alkaline.
Alkaline.
Cheers to water.
Cheers to water.
This is one of my go-to snacks I have. I have my daily baguette of the day. And I just grab a nice piece of my baguette. And then right now, this is my favorite olive oil, Frantoia. It's delicious, really robust flavor. So I just pour a good glob of that on there. This one, which is Giuseppe Guisti of Moderna, is like really thick and syrupy. I just really love it. It's a really robust flavor. So pour that there, hit it with a little salt or with pepper, river pepper, and then snack time. It's delicious. If it's a normal snack, maybe not, but it's what I eat for snack. I have to go back to filming. All right, it is now lunchtime. I'm gonna have one of my daily, I call them an energy dosa. There's this Indian restaurant area that I really love, and they have a masala dosa. It is super easy to get. Where is it? Why is it not here? I always order it. There we go, masala dosa. Ordered this before. Go to checkout. And is there science to back up that this gives you more energy? No, but my personal science says yes. Dun, dun, dun. Lunch is on its way. All right, it's lunchtime, one of the greatest times of the day. And I got myself my energy dosa. So it comes with 3 different chutneys. It comes with some yellow dal, and then the delicious dosa. So I just open this up, give it a little dippy dip dip. The energy is flowing through me. The first video of the day, I have a whole lot of beautiful garlic naan. Now, the thing is I make so much food. Today I'm cooking 4 recipes that we always have to, like cool it to then freeze and then eat another time. So it's actually right over here by the AC unit to start cooling, so we can freeze it. But it's an Eitan Eats the World. This recipe, I'm filming some videos for Eitan Eats the World, and it is just buttery. It is garlicky. What more could you need after lunch? And it is a cool 4:30 right now. I have a meeting to head to, but I just finished filming my tofu banh mi from Eitan Eats the World as well. Today's a cookbook recipe video filmed extravaganza, I guess you could say. But I already took my bite, but I can take another bite for you to show you what I'm eating. It is so delicious. Recipe, of course, in Eitan Eats the World. It is a banh mi style tofu sandwich. That tofu is marinated in this hoisin sauce marinade. You have the pickled veg, you have cilantro, you have spicy mayo. Oh, it's a melody of flavor and texture. It's a full body experience. Grab a tortilla, scoop up some of that queso, and give it a try. Oh my god. I love my work. It's comfort food, it's like a hug. This queso is giving me a hug. I'm giving me a hug. I'm giving you a hug. All right, the workday is over. I've eaten many, many foods for work, and now I'm heading out to dinner with a bunch of friends. We're about to eat some Indian food, my second Indian meal of the day. The weather today, no jackets needed. Papadum,
He's yelling.
best food on earth. It's delicious. Got some paneer makhani, little aloo gobi, papadum, which I already showed you, and then some garlic naan, and rice.
And even more exciting days coming up.
Whoa!
There's
Next up, we got chole bhatura. We got some chole over there, some bhaturas here.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Nope.
10 out of 10. Honestly, this looks not as good as it is, but it's great. Hello. All right, I'm now back. It is time to head to sleep. I guess that's what I eat in a day. Ernie, what did you eat in a day? That's what the world really wants to know. They don't care what I ate. What did you eat? Did you eat kibble? Did you eat freeze-dried chicken? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, follow for more videos, and if you haven't already, be sure to pre-order my debut cookbook, Eitan Eats the World. It's right over here on my shelf. Oh, look at that. That's me. Available to pre-order everywhere books are sold on EitanEatsTheWorld.com. Do all the things, the YouTube things, and I just hope you have a great day. Let me know, comment below what you eat in a day. I would love to hear. Good night. I'm going to bed. It's time to go to bed.